this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Samsung black screen with sound. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present various different solutions. If you notice that you can hear sound being output by your Samsung TV, however, there is nothing being displayed and you just see a black screen. The very first thing that you should do is look at the connections at the back of the TV. So check your HDMI and power cables. Make sure that any of the necessary cables that you want to use are securely connected to the TV and any other device that you are trying to connect to it, especially the power cable. You need to ensure that it is receiving sufficient power. If you notice that all the cables are properly inserted, then try powering it on and see if it works. If it is still displaying a black screen, then I recommend restarting the Samsung TV. This can be done through a simple power cycle. So unplug it from the wall outlet, and I recommend letting it sit there for a few seconds. Afterwards, plug it back again and see if it works. Usually, this will fix minor issues. Now, if you notice that it still gives you sound but a black screen, then this could be a problem with the panel that you have. If you notice that you simply have a black screen, I actually recommend pressing any button on the controller. Sometimes the input source is not set up correctly, and you will just see a black screen. But if you change the input source that you are using, this can solve issues. So just make sure that the input is properly set up. If you cannot access the input because the screen is just overall black, then most likely it is indeed a problem with the panel. In that case, I would not recommend any sort of hardware fixes. This is not something that you should do yourself, so I would highly recommend talking to the Samsung customer support to see what can be done about this. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Samsung black screen with sound. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.